Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and today we will discuss about some topics of modern algebra. So सबसे पहले हम definition देखते हैं conjugate elements की. Let a comma b belongs to G, then b is said to be conjugate to a if there exists an element x belongs to G such that b is equal to x inverse ax for a is equal to b. थ्योरम देखते हैं हम. The relation of conjugacy is an equivalence relation on G. अब हम इसका प्रूफ देखते हैं. If a comma b belongs to G, it is sufficient to show that this relation satisfying the following condition. First is reflexivity, a is equal to a, symmetric, a is equal to b or b is equal to c, b is equal to a. Transitive, a is equal to b comma b is equal to c, it implies a is equal to c. सबसे पहले हम रिफ्लेक्सिविटी देखते हैं. If a is any element of G, so a is equal to e inverse ae is equal to a is equal to e, hence it is reflexive. Now second is symmetric. If a is equal to b, then we can write b is equal to x inverse ax since x belongs to G. Now x inverse is equal to x inverse ax x inverse. So x inverse is equal to a by the conjugate law. Hence a is equal to x inverse to the inverse b x inverse, where x inverse belongs to G, so b is equal to a. Now the third condition is transitive. Let a is equal to b and b is equal to c, then a is equal to x inverse bx, so b is equal to y inverse c by x comma y belongs to G, so a is equal to x inverse y inverse c y x from b. Now y x inverse c yx, where yx belongs to G, hence a is equal to c, or it can be proved by b is equal to x inverse ax and c is equal to y inverse b by, so c is equal to y inverse x inverse a y x inverse ax y, so c is equal to y x inverse a x y. So a comma b inverse is equal to b inverse a inverse, so c is equal to z inverse az, and z belongs to a comma y, so a is equal to c. Now we will discuss the definition of center of group. If G is a group, then we can find capital Z is equal to small z which belongs to G, such that zx equal to xz, such that for all x belongs to G, then Z is called center of group. So the another definition is, if G is finite abelian group, small s is some integer, then we define gs is equal to x belongs to G such that x to the power s is equal to e. अब हम एक थ्योरम देखते हैं. Z is normal subgroup of G and Z is non-empty set. So इसका प्रूव है. Obviously Z is not equal to 0. E belongs to Z since ex equal to xg for all x belongs to G. Now let z1 z2 belongs to capital Z, so z1 x is equal to x z1 and z2 x is equal to x z2. For closure property, z1 z2 x is equal to x z1 z2, z1 z2 x is equal to z1 x z2, hence it can be written as z1 x z2. So it can be written as x z1 z2. Here z1 z2 belongs to z. The closure property is satisfied. For inverse property, z1x is equal to x z1. Z inverse z1x z1 inverse is equal to z1 inverse x z1 z1 inverse x z1 inverse e is equal to z1 inverse x e. X z1 inverse is equal to z1 inverse x. For all x belongs to G, z1 inverse belongs to capital Z. Hence, G is a subgroup. For normality, Z belongs to Z, small z belongs to capital Z, and small g belongs to capital G. Then Zg is equal to Gz. So G, Z, G inverse belongs to Z. Let G belongs to Z. Let small g belongs to capital G. Then G, Z, G inverse is equal to G, Z, G inverse. So Z, G and G inverse, Z, G, G inverse. It can be written as E. So Z, E is equal to Z. Here Z belongs to, small z belongs to capital Z. So G, Z, G inverse belongs to Z. Hence it is proved. Here is some other definitions for modern algebra. So now normal subgroup क्या होता है? Let G be an abelian group and H be any subgroup of G. If X is any element of G, then Hx is right coset of H in G and Xh is left coset of H in G. Also, G is abelian, so we must have Xh is equal to Hx for all X belongs to G. इसको हम इस तरह बोल सकते हैं, a subgroup H of a group G is said to be normal subgroup of G if for all X belongs to G and for all small h belongs to H, X inverse belongs to H. If and only if X inverse is a subset of H for all X belongs to G. सिंपल ग्रुप की डेफिनेशन देख लेते एक बार हम. अ ग्रुप हैविंग नो प्रॉपर नॉर्मल सब ग्रुप इज सिंपल ग्रुप. कोसेट की डेफिनेशन क्या होती है? इफ G इज अ ग्रुप एंड H इज एनी सब ग्रुप ऑफ G, लेट A belongs to G, then HA is equal to small ha such that small h belongs to capital H is called right coset. Similarly, AH is equal to a small h such that small h belongs to capital H is called left coset. साइक्लिक ग्रुप की डेफिनेशन क्या होती है? अ ग्रुप G is cyclic if for some A belongs to G, every X belongs to G is of the form A to the power n, where n is some integer. Thank you for watching.